I call these artists' views. Um, when you see a painting, I think the artist would have chosen to paint that scene based upon the feeling that they got as they came across the scene. Um, there's something that is peaceful, enriching about these scenes. There's just a kind of connection with the 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 there's a connection between the heart, the eyes, and the view ahead. Um, it's just that these kind of scenes are naturally pleasing to humans, and you might want to ask yourself why that is the case. Um, I guess it's something that we've always appreciated, enjoyed, and needed. I mean, there's the obvious appreciation of the field here with the hay. Um, it gives you an interesting feeling that the hay's been kind of ordered in these apparently kind of perfect cylinders. Though, oops, I've just been bitten. Ah, okay. Um, these apparently perfect cylinders, um, which are not scattered in perfect order. Um, I guess somehow you're drawn to look at their arrangement and just reflect on it. I don't know, somehow like a Japanese garden in the stones, just looking at how the farmers left the hay, and there's something that just draws your attention to the fact that they're in little groups on the far side over there, but over here they're more kind of diffusely arranged. There's something to appreciate there, though I can't tell you what it is. Um, I guess there's also the appreciation of the work that's been done. You know, the hard work that's been done by the farmer as he's let his crop grow and looked after it, and now has, or grass in this case, and now has prepared it for a purpose. Um, and just the depth of the view, the scenery. It's just beautiful looking into the distance there. You know, as you look into the distance, so things become uh, less clear, but it kind of allows you to just stare and just allows somehow it just opens up just reflection of what is over there, and essentially you just get to see beauty. You know, it's well worth stepping away from your phone from time to time, just to find scenes like this and to feel connected and grounded, and just to reflect on things. An artist's view.